Hi, and welcome to the Mr. Mike channel. I received a package today from JonBoy09. I taped an envelope over to cover both of our addresses and real names. But anyway, I received a package from him. Last time I looked, he's still 29 subscribers short of hitting 1,000. So if you would, go over and subscribe to him, please. Alright, so let's see what he sent here. All right. Looks like a reference book about guns, which I could definitely use. Sorry, I was just reading the note that he sent me. So basically, yeah, I could. Yeah, this looks like a nice reference book for. Yeah, I will definitely get some use out of this. So, thank you very much, John Boy. Like I said, if you haven't already, go over there and subscribe to him. Let's get him up over 1,000 before February 20th. So thank you for watching, and as always, have a great day.